Hi, how are you? This is Simply Craft with Miss Keiko, and I hope you picked up your craft bag. And today we have a few different activities, right? And then also I included sheet of paper and with pattern and little origami paper and other things. So I try to give you something so that you can create at home, all right? And today the two big things, it's not really big, but two kind of small big things. And one is to make fish tank like this, the hanging thing, okay? Like this, right? The other thing is playing with sand. Sounds messy, but it will be okay. There's ice cream here like this, okay? Popsicle. And then the other one is, I didn't do this yet, but like this, okay? We are going to start from this. Or maybe if you have this ice cream cone, that's fine, all right? And basically, you can peel that each section and then put sprinkle sand. Okay? There's a package of maybe like 6 colors, might be 7 colors. All right, it depends. Okay, just to make sure you put a sheet of paper underneath. Otherwise, it's kind of messy, and I have to apologize, parents, that it will be a little bit messy. But if you have a sheet of paper underneath, it will be okay. So, and the children, when you clean up, please, you help your parent, and then together you clean up, okay? Great, thank you. All right, each one, I think, instead of peeling everything, you peel just each section, okay? So if you have something like this, you can start anywhere, but say start this one here like this, okay? You peel just that section, okay? Here it is. If you find like this in your bag, right, you can also create with leftover sand. I was playing with sand, leftover sand, and I created like this. Since I did already this one, is it pretty? You are not going to eat this, all right? That's dangerous. Which color I should do it? And let me see. Orange. I will do orange, okay? Just sprinkle it, just like this. All right? And you can use finger, right? To kind of flatten it. Or I found easy to use little brush. You have a little brush, right? Brush, or I think some of you may have a glue brush like this, okay? You can just spread it. Next one is a big section here, middle section, okay? You can pick your own color. I'll pick green, okay? Second one, all right. I'm going to go like this. Like this. And I will go the third part, big part. So, here it is. And I will use, how about orange? Alright, good. This color you might not have it. When I was experimenting the first one, the leftover sand, right, and I kind of mixed them. And then, of course, there's a different colors. It's kind of greenish, but orange and other colors in it. Okay, like this. Can you see it? Now, this is the cone part. Here, the edge. Instead of this color, okay, I am going to use bright blue. Yeah. There. Okay. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 spots to cover. Alright. Since I don't have 9, so some are repeating. But that's okay. Yellow, purple. Oh, there's a pink too. Like this. Okay. Ooh, orange sounds great. Yeah. I think it's much easier than I thought. I thought maybe the colors will mix, but it's safe. It's okay. Yeah. How is yours coming? Yellow? Alright. Didn't use green except this here. So I'm going to use green. I hope I have enough green here. And one more. How about one more in, I think I will use this chocolate color. Okay. Beautiful chocolate color. Alright. Here the last one. What do you think? What do you think there? Nice? Yeah, I think so. Good. All right. Let's go next project. Let's do fish tank. First one, my sample, I made a mistake, which is I didn't think of it. Which one will be front and so forth, so on. So this like a thing is appeared in the front. So just to make sure that will be either inside or the back. Now, your glue is ready. Okay. The glue I put it in a bag. You make sure you add a little bit of water. Make it like a liquid. Alright. So I have here. It's really like a liquid. Alright. And I have a little brush. That's what I'm going to apply on here, and then put these tissue paper, square tissue paper. Okay, it may take time. That's okay. You can take time. All right, and just place it to make sure this is clear thing is inside of that fishbowl. Okay. Fishbowl. Okay, like this. You can put a little bit of, let me see if I can add just a little bit of glue here in the edges. Okay, so it does not slide. Now I'm going to apply glue on top of here. Okay. All right. Now. Here I have glue. This is the glue liquid glue. Alright. And then just going over like this. And it looks like white like this, but it will be clear. Okay, so don't worry about it. Alright. Now you have a lot of squares, light blue and dark blue, like this. But also, if you have a tissue paper, different colors, like pink and red and yellow, you can add it. It's fun. I did it. Okay. Alright. And then just a matter of placing. It does not matter where you place. Just placing like this. Okay. Placing like this, and the next maybe light blue and light blue here, and like some, many times you can just overlap it. Okay, and if you think you need more glue, just apply glue on it. It looks messy, but it will be alright. Okay, keep going. More tissues. So this is inside, right? This will be outside. Outside means where you are going to look at outside. So that's a shiny part. Okay? Inside is kind of dull. See, like this. It's dull. You can see the difference. See, this is more shiny. Good. Okay, I'm going and you go to ahead. This takes a little bit time. But just, you have plenty of time. So just enjoy. So how is your summer going? I hope you are enjoying every day and you are safe, okay, and having fun. That's good. Okay. Just think sometimes like two same colors, sometimes different colors. Just make change. Okay, make change. All right. Looks like, yeah. Sometimes it's different. Here, the back, and this is the front part. Okay, shiny part. It's already pretty. Okay, and you should have a string like this. Okay, string like this, right? To hang, just like this. Okay. So something like this. If you find something clear plastic, and you can make different things. Just this part no need to be like a foam, but can be like cardboard, right? Then you can make, for say, stained glass, pretending stained glass, right? There. Okay. Probably I have to ask the librarian Carrie to make it faster. Right? Okay. Yeah. She's the one editing my videos. So thank you, Carrie. There. There. Let's move first. Coming. If I go too fast, I'm sorry. Okay. Just, you can take time. Okay? So you know how to do it. Okay? Instruction says if papers are sticking out, you can trim it. But I think that if you stay inside of this foam, I think you are okay. No need to trim it. Just to check. You can see empty spot. It's okay. There's a hole. If you like to just let it dry, that's okay too. And then next step, you can just do it a little bit later time. Okay. Next step is you have one more, right? Like this. Okay. And I am going to make sure this goes inside, right? Inside. So, but before you close it like this, okay, you make sure you attach this, okay, string, okay. You can use glue. I'm going to use this. Just to make sure. Sure that's the same like this. Okay. To the center. Okay. And this much going inside. All right. Go like this. And if you have tape, again double-sided tape, you can kind of use it. That's okay too. Here inside. Okay. And if string is sticking out of the open like window, then you can cut it. That's okay. Okay, you can just like this. Other side. Okay. That's the back. Okay. This shiny part is at the front. Alright. And make sure they together. I really think before you add water in the mud patch, you just take a little bit of glue and put it in little container, so you can apply it to close two forms. I think that's probably a good idea. And then there's more steps. So the front side looks shinier and nice. Okay. That's where you are going to add fish. All right. Now, and then also when I did make first one, okay, after I put everything, I put heavy book on top of it. Make sure they stick together. Okay. Now you have like this, okay, and then also you have a like this one here. I should have two. Okay. Two like this. Okay, the bubbles and eyes. Okay. And I should have one more here. Like this here. Okay. The instruction says like this, but you know what? You can add two fishes like this anywhere you want. Not necessary to follow this instruction. Any way you want. That's great. Okay. Okay. So I am going to put one. You can use leftover glue, or you can use tape, which is not included. I'm sorry about this, but I think I go like this. Right. Okay. Now, these two, let's go. Okay. All right. And then this one here. Okay. Like this. Right? And I have a yellow one like this. Okay. Same way. Same way. I think this is the way. There's one more here. One more here, yellow one here. Before I forget, just to make sure that the brushes, after you finish, make sure you wash, then you can reuse. Okay, so now you have a bubbles and eyes. That luckily this has sticky part. Okay, this part we don't need it. Right? And then eyes, big eyes and little eyes. Okay. Let's put one more for you. Yellow fish. Yellow fish. Here it is. Okay, the shiny part. This is the side you worked, okay, in the beginning. Right? The difference, the kind of dull color. This is very shiny. Good? Good, very good. Good job. I know it took a kind of a long time, but I appreciate your patience, and I hope you enjoy other activities. I know I put this in the bag like this. Okay. Just a regular paper. I want you to try out, all right? And to cut it out and try to make a box. Okay, this will be kind of a handle. All right, and then if you like it, and then I can again copy it on cardstock, which is a heavier paper, and you can actually use it as a gift box. All right, that is my plan. Okay, so try it and then let me know, okay, how it work out. Okay, and then other things, you may have other kind of puzzles or coloring paper and things like that. So I wanted to try out. Okay, when you have time, right? Meantime, I want you to have a great summer and be safe and make sure you read. Happy reading. All right. So I will see you next time. Okay. So see you then. Okay. Bye bye. Bye. Take care. All right. Be safe.